Step 1. Gather the tools required. Step 2. Take your 3mm Allen key, raise your seat, and loosen the 5 screws at the locations indicated. Once all screws are loosened, gently remove the outer belt guard. Step 3. Take your microfiber cloth or towel, place it over the belt, and pull out towards you while slowly rotating the crank arm backward. This helps avoid pinching your fingers during the belt removal process. Step 4. With your 5mm Allen key, or socket and ratchet, loosen the 3 screws indicated, to free the idle tension pulley bearings from the frame. While loosening the screws, be sure to take notice of where they return, and watch out for the metal sleeves that accompany 2 screws. Once all screws are out, gently take the idle pulley bracket off. Step 5. Using a specialty tool that comes with our kit, with caution gently remove the snap ring holding the bearings in place. Avoid expanding the ring more than required to prevent it from losing its elastic properties. Open the ring, just enough to be lifted out, and quickly release the tool, allowing the ring return back to shape. The bearings will slide right out without the ring. Replace them with the new ones. Step 6. Place the snap ring back on. This is the reverse of taking it out. Open the snap ring just enough to slide onto the shaft, and with the tool removed, snap it in place. Step 7. Install the bracket back on the frame, with the bearings facing inwards. Remember to place the metal sleeves in their respective locations. Match the holes and place the screws in. Once all screws are in, tighten the 2 outer screws, leaving the middle one hand threaded. With the 2 screws tightened, place the belt back on the crank arm pulley, and rotate the crank arm backwards to set the belt in place. Then rotate the crank arm forward, while tightening the last screw, making sure the belt is properly aligned during motion underneath the idle pulley bearings. Place your belt guard back on, gently snapping it into place. The 2 long screws go in the front of the belt guard, while the 3 short screws go on the back. With the last screw in, check to make sure nothing was forgotten, and then test your bike to ensure everything works fine. Good job!